Welcome, everyone, to today's Explainer. We're jumping right into the incredibly fun animated world of Sunny the Sun and his absolute best friend, Pip the Mouse. If you've ever found yourself wondering just how amazing our giant superstar in the sky really is, well, you're in the right place. We're going to uncover all of his glowing secrets today. Okay, let's dive into this. Picture this. It's a cozy, colorful bedroom. You look out the window, and it's still that sleepy, dark blue night sky, right? You've got the moon wearing a little nightcap, the stars are quietly twinkling, and inside, we meet Pip. He's the super cheerful cartoon mouse rocking some tiny striped pajamas. He's rubbing his eyes, letting out a big yawn, and looking out the window, just kind of wondering, is it time to wake up yet? Because honestly, it's still pretty dark out there. But then, wait a second. What's that warm golden glow peeking over the hills? Suddenly, boom! Bright yellow rays just burst out, the sleepy moon zips right out of the way, and our cheerful, bouncing Sunny the Sun pops into the sky, rocking glowing sunglasses. He calls out to Pip and all the tiny explorers, saying, "Good morning! It is time to jump out of bed because your favorite superstar is up in the sky." And Sunny doesn't just want everyone to wake up, he wants us moving. So right now, wherever you are, give a giant stretch right up to the sky. Go on, pretend you're literally high-fiving the clouds up there. Sunny absolutely loves seeing those big, beautiful stretches from all his tiny explorers down on Earth. Now, while we're all stretching, Sunny is already hard at work. Millions. Think about that for a second. That is the number of miles he travels every single morning. He's zooming through space literally as fast as a rocket ship. And he does all of that incredible traveling for one reason, just to send those bright, sparkly rays down to Earth and give us a great big warm space hug every single day. Let's see how this builds into our first major concept today. Superpower number 1, light. To really grasp just how incredible the superpower is, let's look at a quick comparison. On one side, we've got an ice cube Earth. Sunny actually tells Pip that without him, our planet would just be this freezing, pitch-black, sleepy ice cube. Yeah, nobody wants that. But then, on the flip side, we see what actually happens when Sunny shines down. It's like flipping a switch. He acts like a giant, magical light bulb, turning the whole world on with this beautiful, bright glow. And when that magical light bulb clicks on, it completely chases away all those dark shadows. Pip actually realizes that without Sunny's light, everything would be pitch black. He wouldn't even be able to see his own cheese. But thanks to Sunny, all the vibrant colors of the world just pop. We get to see the shiny red apples, the crisp green grass, and of course, that beautifully bright blue sky. But here's the thing. Light isn't just for seeing, right? It's actually for growing. Just imagine a tiny, cute little sprout with a big, smiley face. It uses Sunny's light to basically eat, drinking in that sunshine and growing bigger and stronger every single day, until, ta-da, it blossoms into a giant, happy sunflower. Plants absolutely rely on Sunny's magical light to thrive. Now, seeing that sunflower drink the light makes Pip ask a pretty funny question. He asks, "Wait, can I drink sunshine, Sunny?" Sunny gets a good giggle out of that one. He explains that, no, we don't drink sunshine with a straw, silly mouse. But when you play outside, your skin and your body actually soak up what he calls sunshine vitamins. These are amazing nutrients that help you run, jump, and grow tall. They keep you active and healthy. So, since everyone in the story is all fueled up on these sunshine vitamins, they break right into a bright light dance. Go ahead, put your hands up and wiggle your fingers like sparkly sunbeams. Imagine you're shooting colorful rays of light everywhere, just like Sunny does when he's dancing across the meadow to a really catchy preschool beat. Now, what's really interesting about this next concept is how it changes things. Superpower number 2, warmth. You see, Sunny isn't just a giant light bulb. He is literally the biggest, coziest heater in the entire universe. And the best part? He doesn't even need to be plugged into a wall. It's all thanks to heat energy. Sunny sends out these invisible warmth rays all the way from space. And when they finally reach us down here on Earth, they do something totally amazing. They warm up the air, the ground, the water. It's essentially like being wrapped up in a giant invisible blanket made entirely out of pure sunshine. And that invisible blanket of warmth, it does so much everyday magic for us. Pip loves it mostly because it makes swimming in the summer cool feel perfectly cozy. Sunny's warmth heats up our oceans, our rivers, our sandy beaches. It even dries our clothes when we hang them outside. And, of course, when springtime finally rolls around, it melts those winter snowmen to make room for the green grass. So, sorry, Frosty.
But as Pip quickly realizes, melting snowmen means one very glorious thing: muddy puddles. Sunny actually admits they're his favorite too, which prompts all the tiny explorers to pretend they're jumping and stomping into the absolute biggest, splashiest puddles they can find. Splash, splash, splash. So the crucial point here is that while splashing and playing in the sun is incredibly fun, we do need to talk about Sunny's safety rules. It's time for our Solar Super Summary to wrap up exactly what we've learned today and figure out how to stay safe while enjoying all of that solar magic. Pip is just so excited to show off what he's learned, right? He's literally counting it out on his tiny mouse fingers. First up, the sun gives us light, which helps us see all those bright colors and helps the plants grow tall. Second, the sun gives us warmth, which keeps us wonderfully cozy so we can spend our days playing outside in the park. Excellent job summarizing there, Pip. And this brilliantly illustrates our next point. Because Sunny is so super bright and so super warm, utilizing our golden safety gear is absolutely essential. Before anyone runs outside to play for a long time, the story reminds us that we need to wear a cool hat, some super sunglasses, and definitely slap on some safe, sparkly sunscreen. That's the golden rule, folks. It keeps your skin and your eyes safe, happy, and totally ready for adventure. So, with our safety gear on and our minds absolutely packed with amazing solar facts, it's time to say a fond farewell to our favorite superstar. Sunny has to go paint the afternoon sky with those beautiful orange and pink colors now. But hey, don't worry. He promises to be right back tomorrow morning, ready to give us all another wonderful space hug. Bye-bye, Sunny. Thank you for the light and all the warm hugs. As we wrap up today's explainer, I want to leave you with one final thought to chew on. You've soaked up all those sunshine vitamins, and now you know everything there is to know about the amazing superpowers of light and warmth. So, my question to you is, how will you shine bright like Sunny today? Go out there, bring your own unique light into the world, and I will catch you on the next explainer.